I do a once over on all the cylinders. They all got rinsed out. Got some WD-40, spraying each one. Make sure you get in there good. Showing the wetness over there. I'm not gonna go fast as the drill can go, but just trying to get it clean. I already checked the wear pattern. I already checked the wear pattern and it's good. No cracks, nothing crazy. After this, I'm about to heat up the rods and get the new wrist pins and pistons and rods connected. Like I said, it was a good wear pattern, nothing crazy. So I'm just doing this because it did just come back last night from being in water. GRC, scraping it up.
Yeet.
I'm getting these rods on the new pistons. Going pretty smooth. Took like literally 1 minute for that one. So in the next 10 minutes, hopefully I can get them all done. I checked the cylinders out. They clean, right? Look at this back one. It's gonna be a little troublemaker. About to check the ring gap. I'm trying to get these marks out. But the rest, this one got some too. This one got some, not as bad. And I think this one is good. Yeah, this one's good for the most part. Like, little ones like that, no, it's okay. Yeah, I probably can't even see it, but it's some little ones right here. Completely normal. But those big ones, I don't know, may cause an issue down the road. So, I'm trying to take care of that. So, once I do this, get the... Alright, so once I finish doing these rods, put these cam bearings in. I got some Loctite, putting them in with. And then hopefully we get all the rust spots and everything. Oh yeah, it came out pretty good. Get all that scraped up, blown, and then right after that we can shoot for getting the whole rotating cylinder back in. I need to check all the lifters because if the cam look like that, I'm pretty sure the lift would look bad too. So they over here in this bucket and oil. Yeah, so I'm gonna check them over soon today. Pushing the truck out. It's going to get engine bay cleanup. Ain't too much to clean besides this right here. This gump. Firewall look pretty good, but it's still gonna get painted. Pretty clean already though. Painting all of this for sure, all of it. It's gonna be nice, man, nice and mint. But yeah, we're gonna push it out and clean it out today. Putting the oil rings here. The reason these called oil rings, because you look inside, two holes. Probably can see that one. Probably can see that one. There's two holes each side, and they push oil through the pistons till get ready to push this truck out and doing some cleaning. Trying to put in whatever I can, install whatever I can right now. just got cleaned up. So cam should be getting ordered tomorrow. While the truck is out, since we can't put the motor in the truck. All right, we could put the motor in the truck, but the motor is not going to be running till the cam is in. So really makes no sense to do it that way. So we're just gonna finish the motor and then bring the truck back in and put the motor in the truck. Might as well just keep working on the motor, get the truck out, put another car right here, and start getting some stuff done. So tomorrow I have to contact engine tech because these small block cam bearings have some different numbers than I'm used to. So you can see 27, 28, and it's another 28, and 27 and 26. So usually the middle is the biggest, and then these 2 and 4 are the same, and 1 and 5 is the same. So I don't know, 26 going the front, 1 in the back, 3 is the middle for sure. I don't know if 4 is number 2 or number 4. So I don't know, like 2 or 4 or 4. I mean, or 2 or 4. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. So I'm gonna contact them and see. If they give me what I need, I put these in, and then the whole rotating assembly go back in. Then after that, change valve seals on the heads, throw that on. I should be able to get both of those done in one day. But yeah, all this put together. I gotta heat this one up. It's not perfectly centered. It went cold on me fast, so gotta heat this one back up and adjust. But all the rest, man, turned out good. Look nice too. And piston rings, I gotta measure them. I can do that while waiting on the camshaft to come. And I'm waiting on the oil pump shaft too, a metal one. I'll be taking y'all tips, man, and I'm waiting on that. I always heard those plastic guides breaking, but never seen it. So I'm about to clean up, get that CTS over here, and then so we're gonna get this motor completely together, bring the truck back in, drop it in, get it running. But for the time, just gonna put another car in here, and then I'm gonna work on this or J-Rock. Gonna do something over there. It's been 3 days. I was able to get 1 car done, 1 car started, and a whole bunch of other little small work around the house, stuff like that. But anyway, we back on the motor. I'm not doing nothing today, but I'm just doing a little talking. So called and confirmed all these numbers are right. So it's a go. Be good. I just gotta go get some assembly lube, some clean motor oil, and I'm just making this video really to show y'all the oil pump, really making this video to show y'all the oil galley plug, and it's right here. I'm turning the light on. Yeah, so here it is. See if you can see it. Boom. So you can knock it out from the top, just the bottom of the motor. You can knock this out from the top. Let me see, I can spin it around and show y'all. Can't really see, but yeah. Follows all the way down there. The same one for the oil pressure sensor. But it's multiple oil plugs around, man. But that's the one like it's hidden. And when you take your motor to the hot tank, to get hot tank, they take them all out. They take anything out that's missed. And these 3, they never really leak. And like I say, these look like they didn't touch. See the white thread sealing on it, thread tape. But yeah, that's the one. Just making that for, just showing that for anybody that go to the machine shop and get your motor hot tanked. Well, anyway, yeah. So new cam is in. Where is it? Cam is in. with the new lifters, so I need to get some oil, put those in some oil. All the gaskets on the heads, I need to change all 16 valve seals. All these sensors and everything. Good with that, oil, filter, adapter, all that. So I'm about to put these back in the box. These gaskets, I like them, but since I've been doing LS, I like MLS gaskets. So MLS stands for multi-layer steel, so it's literally like 3 to 5 layers of steel. And these, one thicker layer of rubber and steel together. So y'all see the metal part of it. These look weirdly shaped too. They're not perfectly circle. Yeah. So starting to assemble the whole thing, man. I'm gonna put these gaskets back up. Be ready. So tomorrow I'll be jumping on this after I paint those channels and put that window in. And yeah, it's go time.